Hello, dear students. Let us understand the concept of simple interest. Sometimes it happens when we borrow some money or we deposit some money in the bank, then this action of interest is involved. So there are two different situations. Number one, when we borrow some money, then we need to pay certain interest to the person from whom we have taken the money, and second is when we deposit the money in a bank, we get some extra money that we call as interest. Now, coming to the point of simple interest, let us understand this. When the money is deposited or borrowed on simple interest, then in that situation, the interest is calculated uniformly on the actual principal throughout the period for which the money was deposited or the loan has been taken. Now, I would be explaining this concept like what do we understand by this principle? Principal is basically the money which we deposit in the beginning or the money which we borrow from the lender. So, we have understood the concept of this principle, and then what is this rate of interest? Basically, a lender charges a percentage of the principal money, and the lender charges this money on the basis of on yearly basis, or we call it as annual basis, and that is typically called as a rate of interest. And the bank also sets a rate of interest per annum for the depositor for the money. Now, for calculating the simple interest, we have three quantities: principal, that is the money; rate of interest, that is in percentage; and time, that is in years. And the formula which we use for calculating the simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. Let us understand this better by taking an example. So we need to find the simple interest. It is given that principal is rupees 2000. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Per annum meaning yearly. And we can write this as P dot A. And time is 5 years. So here in this question, the three things: P, that is principal, is 2000 rupees; R, that is rate of interest, is 5% per annum; and time T is 5 years. So you need to simply use the formula SI, that is simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. So substitute the values: 2000 into 5 into 5 divided by 100. So what is the answer? Simplify this. So when you simplify this, you get the answer as, yes, tell me what is the answer? Yes, the answer comes out to be 500. I hope you have done the calculations. So here you can see that you can cancel two zeros with these two zeros from numerator and denominator. Then 20 into 5 into 5. 5 fives are 25 into 20. That gives us rupees 500. I hope the question is clear to you. Let us move on to another example. Find the simple interest when principal is rupees 500, rate of interest is 12.5% per annum, and time is 4 years. Very simple. So we use the formula SI is P into R into T by 100. So 500 into 12.5 into 4 divided by 100. Simplify this and tell me what is the answer. Very simple calculations are there. So you can cancel two zeros from numerator and denominator, and then you get answer as 12.5 into 20. That gives us rupees 250. I hope this question is clear to you. So what is the formula for simple interest? Just remember this: SI is P into R into T divided by 100.